When it comes to upgrading the windows in your New Orleans home, one of the most important decisions you'll face is whether to tackle the job yourself, DIY, or hire a professional window installation service. Both options have their benefits, but the choice ultimately depends on factors like your skill level, the complexity of the installation, time, budget, and the long-term results you desire. In this article, we'll break down the pros and cons of DIY versus professional window installation in New Orleans to help you make an informed decision for your home. Cost consideration. DIY window installation. One of the most obvious advantages of DIY window installation is cost savings. By doing the work yourself, you avoid paying for labor, which can be a significant portion of the total project cost. If you have the right tools and experience, installing windows yourself can be an affordable way to update your home without breaking the bank. However, keep in mind that the cost savings may be offset by other factors. You'll need to purchase specialized tools and materials, such as caulking, seals, weather stripping, and potentially a new window frame. If the installation doesn't go smoothly, you might end up needing to hire a professional to fix any mistakes, which could result in extra costs and delays. Professional window installation. Hiring a professional window installation service involves a higher initial cost due to labor fees. However, professionals bring expertise and experience, which can save you money in the long run. A proper installation ensures that your windows are sealed correctly, avoiding costly energy losses, water damage, or the need for premature replacements. Plus, many professional installers offer warranties that protect you against potential issues down the line. Time and effort. DIY window installation. Installing windows yourself can be a time-consuming project, especially if you've never done it before. The process typically involves removing old windows, preparing the window frames, ensuring proper insulation and sealing, and fitting the new windows securely. Even for experienced DIYers, this process can take several hours to a few days, depending on the number of windows being replaced and the complexity of the job. Additionally, if something goes wrong during the installation, it could further extend the timeline. For example, if you accidentally break a window or fail to properly seal a window, you may need to reorder parts or correct mistakes, leading to delays. Professional window installation. Professional installers are well trained and efficient, typically completing a window installation much faster than a DIYer could. A team of experienced professionals can install multiple windows in a single day, reducing the time spent on the project. Plus, professional installers are equipped with all the necessary tools and materials to get the job done quickly and accurately, leaving you with more time to enjoy your home rather than dealing with installation issues. Quality of installation. DIY window installation. While DIY installation can be successful if done correctly, it's often difficult to achieve the same level of precision and durability as a professional. Even a small mistake, like an improperly sealed window or incorrect insulation, can lead to air leaks, moisture damage, or energy inefficiency. Over time, these issues can lead to higher energy costs and a less comfortable living environment. In addition, if your home has unique architectural features, such as older windows in a historic home, it may be harder to fit standard replacement windows without professional expertise. Improper installation in these cases could impact your home's integrity or detract from its aesthetic value. Professional window installation. Professional installers have the knowledge and expertise to ensure your windows are installed properly, offering a higher level of precision. Whether you're replacing windows in a standard home or a historic property in New Orleans, a professional installer can handle the job efficiently and with attention to detail. They will ensure that each window is sealed correctly, which can improve your home's energy efficiency, prevent leaks, and enhance its overall comfort. Warranty and peace of mind. DIY window installation. When you choose the DIY route, you are responsible for the outcome of the installation. If something goes wrong after installation, whether it's a leak, a draft, or a broken window, you'll be left to fix it yourself or pay for repairs. You won't have the peace of mind that comes with a warranty that guarantees the quality of the installation or materials. Professional window installation. When you hire a professional window installation service, you often get a warranty on both the labor and the products. This means that if anything goes wrong after installation, you can call the installer to make repairs at no additional cost. This added peace of mind can be especially important for homeowners looking to avoid unexpected costs or stress after installation. Knowledge of local building codes and regulations. DIY window installation. New Orleans, like many cities, has specific building codes and regulations that govern window installation. If you decide to take on the job yourself, you'll need to be aware of these codes and ensure that your installation complies with them. This can be a challenge if you're not familiar with the local requirements or if you don't have the expertise to ensure the windows meet safety standards. Professional window installation. Professional installers are familiar with the building codes and regulations specific to New Orleans. They'll make sure that your windows are installed according to local standards and that the installation is up to code. This can save you from future headaches, such as issues with permits or inspections, and ensure that your windows perform optimally. Conclusion. Choosing between DIY and professional window installation depends on your individual situation, budget, and desired results. If you have the time, tools, and experience, and are looking for a cost-effective solution, DIY installation could work for you. However, if you want a high-quality, efficient installation with long-term benefits, such as better energy efficiency, security, and peace of mind, hiring a professional window installation service is the best choice. Ultimately, replacing your windows in New Orleans is an investment in the comfort, value, and security of your home. Whether you choose to tackle the project yourself or hire professionals, making the right choice will ensure that your home gets the high-quality windows it deserves.